Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you about some keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are a combination or set of keys that provide easy access to a specific function inside of a computer system. These keys have to be pressed simultaneously to perform tasks. They're used for tasks that require a mouse or input device or are time-consuming tasks. On the right side of my screen, I have my File Explorer. Here's a quick trick for it. If I go to my File Explorer and I press Ctrl-Shift-N, I can easily create a new folder instead of right-clicking and choosing New Folder. On the left side of my screen, I have created a new document, and let me show you 4 quick tricks with this document. Firstly, if I want to copy this word, I click on the word, click Ctrl-C, and it's copied. If I want to paste it in a different location, I click Ctrl-V, and there you go. Boom, pasted. If I want to undo my action, I click Ctrl-Z. Last but not least, if I want to click a screenshot of my current screen, I can just press Windows, Print Screen, and that flash of light indicates that I've just clicked a screenshot. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.